Hi everyone and welcome to my Unity tutorial. Today we're going to create a simple but cool automatic door system using Unity and Playmaker. By the end of this video you'll learn how to make doors that automatically open when a player gets near and even a button activated door for more interactive gameplay. Let's get started. First, let's set up our scene. I've already created a simple layout with a player character, some walls, and 2 doors. Each door is made of 2 cubes grouped inside a parent game object, which represents the door. One of the doors will open automatically when the player gets close, and the other will open and close using a button. Before we dive into Playmaker, let's create the animations for our doors. Select the door game object, then open the animation window. Create a new animation clip called OpenDoor. Move the door cubes to make an opening motion. Set keyframes for the starting and ending positions. Repeat the process for CloseDoor, making the cubes return to their original position. Make sure both animations are added to an animator controller for the door. And ensure uncheck loop for both animations. Next, let's make the first door automatic using Playmaker. Add a box collider to the door's game object and check is trigger. Adjust its size to create a trigger zone around the door. Add a new FSM to the door and name it automatic door. In the first state, door closed, add the trigger event action. Set trigger enter. Set the tag to player. Send the event open. Create a new state called OpenDoor. Add the animator play action and set the animation state to OpenDoor. Add the play sound action and assign a door opening sound effect. Send the finished event to transition to the next state. Create the door opened state. Add another trigger event action, but this time set trigger exit. Set the tag to player and send the event close. Finally, create a closed door state. Add the animator play action and set the animation state to closed door. Add the play sound action with a door closing sound effect. Send the finished event to return to door closed. And that's it. Duplicate the door and place it elsewhere in your scene. Now let's create the button controlled door. Remove the box collider and FSM from the duplicate door. Add a new game object for the button and position it nearby. Add a box collider to the button, check is trigger, and add an FSM named button. In the first state, trigger, add the trigger event action, set trigger stay. Set the tag to player, send the event in, create a new state, press button to open, add the get key down action, set the key to return. When the key is pressed, send the event open. Add a trigger event action for trigger exit to return to the first state if the player moves away. Create the open door state, add the animator play action and set it to open door. Add the play sound action with the door opening sound effect. Send the finished event to move to the next state. In the press button to close state, add the get key down action with the same key, return. When the key is pressed, send the event close. Add a trigger event action for trigger exit to return to the first state. Finally, create the closed door state. Add the animator play action set to closed door. Add the play sound action for the door closing sound effect. Send the finished event back to press button to open. And there you go. Now the button works to open and close the door. Let's play the game to test everything. As you can see, the first door opens and closes automatically when the player gets near or moves away. The second door works with the button, Press Return to open it and press it again to close it. It's that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity content. Thanks for watching and happy developing.